Does your Twitter icon on your YouTube channel look like this? A globe looking like a broken link instead of the actual Twitter icon? Well, here's a quick and easy tutorial showing you how to fix it. First, go to your YouTube channel page, then go to the top right corner of your YouTube header and click on the pencil and select Edit Links. If your channel page looks like this and you don't get the little pencil appearing, instead you just get a picture of a camera with no Edit Links option, click on the Customize Channel option here and then you'll get to the page that shows a pencil in the top right corner. You can also get to the Edit Links page by clicking on About underneath your username if you have your channel set to this layout. So once you're on the Edit Links page, scroll down to the bottom where you can see your links. Next, if it's not already open, you need to click on the pencil to the right of your links to open the section where you can edit your links. If no pencil is appearing and there's simply no way to edit anything like on this page I have here, try opening the page using a different web browser. I normally use Google Chrome, which I'm using here, but for some reason it won't allow me to edit my description or links as no option is appearing. Here I've opened the same page using Internet Explorer and the pencil now appears. Click on the pencil to open the Customize Link section. Now go to your Twitter link and edit the link in the following way. There's two ways we can do this. If one doesn't work for you, then try the other one. First, you'll see your link beginning with https://twitter.com and then your username. This is a link you likely pasted from your Twitter account. Simply edit that link by deleting the S and leaving your link starting with HTTP. Then go to the bottom right corner and click Done and your icon should be fixed. The other way to do this is to add www. before the word Twitter. And also click Done. Make sure not to do both. If you do both, i.e. delete the S and add www, you'll still get the globe. Just add the S back and it will work. If this simple fix was useful to you, then please give it a like and also consider subscribing to my channel. Also please share and tweet this video on Twitter to help other Twitter users create their icons too. Hope it helped and thanks for watching.